Hi guys, so the first thing you want to do is take your white powder and then you're going to drain out some of your liquid, and this will help with the opaqueness of the actual white. And then you're going to want to place this ball right at the free edge, and then I'm just going to clean up the sides and then work my way down. After you feel comfortable with your application, I like to take another bead of white and I'm going to place that right above the first ball that I put down, and I'm going to just feather that out. This will just ensure that you'll have a smooth transition between your cover color and your white. So I had to jump onto my ring finger because I wasn't in frame when doing the peach part on my pinky, so I'm just showing you how I do my white again, and I figured I might as well just include basically all of the clips that I recorded, because a lot of people actually prefer longer tutorials than short ones, and I know you guys probably just like seeing acrylic being applied. I know I do. So yeah, I'm just showing you the steps again on how I do my white, and then I also show you, like, I go back in and add acrylic wherever I need it, just to get like the desired thickness. And these nail tips, like I said, are basically the longest length that you can go with the nail tips that I sell, so I definitely want them a little bit thicker just so that they don't break as easily. So this is the same process like what I did on the pinky. I'm just going to take another wetter bead and I'm just going to basically blend that into the natural nail. And then once I do that, I'm going to pick up my peach color. And this is the Cover Peach by Young Nails. And I'm going to grab that, and I'm also going to drain out a little bit of the liquid just so that I have a lot of control over the acrylic, and I'm going to place that a little bit above where that white was. And once I do that, I'm just going to pat it into place side by side, and then I'm going to brush down. And with this, you just want to make sure that you do actually have a little bit of liquid on your brush so that you'll get a smooth blend. So with the cuticle area, like I said before in my other video, my acrylic application video, you want to make sure that you tilt your finger downwards so that your acrylic doesn't run into your cuticles. And I'm just going to clean up my sides and make sure that my acrylic is placed where I need it to be. Just going to perfect the nail. I'm just going to add the acrylic in spots where I need it, and then after doing that, I'm going to cap it with clear acrylic. This side view right here is before the clear acrylic, and as you can see, I still have the structure that I need. I just need to add a little bit more thickness. And so I really hope that my technique helped. On the next couple nails, I'm just going to be doing the same exact thing that you just saw previously. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get you guys as soon as I can. So somehow my footage deleted of the after video that I took, but I will insert a photo. And once again, thank you guys for watching.